Hi, this is Engineer Usman again with a new video recording for the training of estimation training. And today we're going to be utilizing a tool, a software that is called Bluebeam. We are not emphasizing you to be more specific about this software and use only this software. There are a lot of software available in the market. It's just a tool to quantify the quantities from the drawings. So now we're gonna be moving ahead toward the screen so that we could give you a brief idea, a very brief idea about the tools available in the software and the outcomes that we can get by utilizing that software. Okay, so first of all, we will give you a brief idea about the layout of this particular version of the Bluebeam. Here is the top menu, like any software does have, with different commands that you can easily explore from here. On the left, you've got some other options related to the drawings, and on the right, you've got the measurement tools, the setting, and on the bottom, you're gonna have a log of each and every item that you're gonna quantify in the drawings. So first of all, here is a sample drawing for your understanding. We have to calibrate the drawing. Like in old times, they used to use triangular scale to scale the hard copy of the drawings. But here in this case, we're going to calibrate it using the software. So first of all, here we can see the scale, the measurement, and the viewport section. So this scale is for the complete set of drawings that will be stored in that particular drawing. So we'll just focus ahead and move toward the viewport because not all the pages have same scale. Sometimes the scales could be different. So it's better to add the scale in this way. So whatever is in the blue window will be covered in that particular scale. Everything else will be covered in the scale, the main scale, this one. So you should be careful about adding the viewport when quantifying or scaling the drawing. So here's the units that you can easily change. We've got 1:4 is equal to 1 feet. It's better to have 13 rather than feet. The precision could be 1 inches. That would be okay because estimate is always an estimate. You cannot be more precise in that particular case because the drawings are scaled. Here are different commands available like length, area, and polygon, etc. We just use this command, length command, to check if the scale is correct that we have chosen. This is okay, horizontal and one vertical. You just need to re-verify because everything is dependent on the scale. So then moving ahead with other tools, you can see over here also you can get the tools from this particular menu, the measure tool. M is a short form, and calibrate, length, polylength, and perimeter. Polylength is basically just like the perimeter, but it gives you two items. Number one is the length of every section and the total of the complete section. While in the perimeter command, you will just get the total of a complete segment. This is area. You must be familiar with this. These are very basic commands, and this is volume. When you add in the volume command, you'll get the details over here. Like I have put three markings. One is the perimeter, one is the poly length, one is the volume. When I'm gonna update the depth of the volume, it will update the total volume measurement. So here you can see the depth is in meters while the drawing is in FPS. When we're gonna change it to 30 inches, we can easily change the quantities. It's gonna refresh, and here you go. You've got depth in 7.25, 7.3 inches, and total volume will be this. So all in all, the volume command is going to cover everything. Like here you can see the total length of that 3 meter length of that particular measurement. Here is the area, and here is the volume. This is the depth that we can alter from this measurement section. So the last command that we're going to use is the count function. I'll just be using the commands that are necessary and won't be focusing toward any other items like radius, diameter, because we don't want to add additional items and confuse you. These are the pretty much everything of the measurement. I mean, everything is covered in these commands. We can easily quantify the quantities based off these available particular commands. So after that, these are basic items. After that, we're gonna move ahead toward the somewhat say the advanced options. Here is the search option. If you press Control plus F, you can easily find this. Uh, if you want to search something in the drawing, like maybe we can search base, it's gonna highlight all the items with this in the complete document. See, in search we have got current page or current documents. Current documents will gonna cover all the pages from 1 till 19. Here you can see the pages. In the same fashion, if you got some visual like the OCR, if you want to count something, just select this option, get rectangle, and you can easily quantify by giving a bracket like this. Now it's going to search this particular image in the complete set of documents. Unfortunately, we don't have this in the document, that's why we cannot see it over here. So you can so in this way you can utilize this find function or the search function. After that, we've got the batch command. Sometimes we have to do the repetitive tasks. So there comes the batch command. If you want some repetitive task to be done on all the pages or even all the open documents, here are the available options that you can utilize whenever you feel comfortable of utilizing. Then we got here on the left the small preview of all the thumbnails of all the drawings. You can see there is a counting 1, 2, 3. We can change these to suit our needs by adding labels, page label. We can create the page label by selecting the region. It's going to apply the same OCR command to find out what's written and then reapply it to all the available pages. Then change the name of the drawings in the left thumbnail view. So here it will be comfortable for us to easily identify which drawing number is available. You can also add the drawing name if you like to, but that's going to populate a lot of information on the thumbnail. So after that, you might feel that you have to put some flags in it. You can easily go there and add the flag. The flag will just be added like if I want to refer to this detail, I'm going to add a flag, say detail. Whenever I'm going to click this detail, I'll be automatically move ahead toward that particular detail. Even the zoom settings will be saved in that item. So other way to add a flag is just like we used to do in the manual work, add flag. On this drawing, on this particular page, you will easily see there is a flag or there is a note on this page. But when we put this flag, this blue one, from here, it will just shift us. It's just like hyperlinking in the form of flag. Then sometimes we'll have to open two pages at the same time. We can just right click and split vertical or horizontal, whatever you feel comfortable with. On the left side, we'll open the plan, and if you have to see the relevant detail at the same time, so we can just split the two windows. The document will be same. So after that, we have one more command, that is sets. Sometimes we have hundreds of drawings, so it becomes very laborious or cumbersome to uh, manage the set. Here you can see the sets. We can add the drawing and easily create the set. Inside, they definitely create the drawing name and the drawing label. That we can easily do just by tagging sheet name and sheet number. So it has automatically created the page label, the sheet name, file name, other stuff. Press OK. And you can see there's a structural set. And the FO is the foundations. Furthermore, regarding the sets, we'll create a separate video because we have just gave you a small or brief overview of the software. So that's all for today. It was very brief idea about the software. We again are not emphasizing to use this particular software. It's just a tool, and it's pretty easy. That's why we have will be utilizing this software. So this is Usman signing off. Press the bell icon to get the latest updates. In the next video, we'll definitely gonna be doing a live project in this particular software. Thank you. Have a good day.